Join me today for an exciting walkthrough of Dream Lounge. Dream Lounge is a new Discord server for the creative community. The goal is to make a welcoming and inspiring place for all creators, whether you are interested in 3D and 2D, 3D printing, videos, or even in real-life creations. But even the most passionate, dedicated creators need an outlet not alone to learn and teach, but also to be able to procrastinate a bit, to relax and recharge their muse. When you accept your invitation to join Dream Lounge, you are greeted with the onboarding screen. Here you can customize your experience to select which rooms you are interested in and therefore will be visible to you. Chat rooms are called channels on Discord, by the way. Depending on what interests you choose, you will be assigned your initial role. For example, if you are a current or previous Poserlounge member, you get automatically the Dreamweaver role and access to the legacy Poserlounge info. However, you can select more than one interest, and if you do, you automatically get the Dream Creator role added, so you can have multiple roles. The roles determine also which color your name is before leveling. For this walkthrough, I will just select all options for demonstration purposes. So when you selected all options that apply to you, press Finish. You can always change your choices at any time in the Channels and Roles section on the top left of the channel list. The next step of the onboarding process is to follow an automated tour where you are shown a couple of rooms to explore. First is the arrival room. Check the little circle and feel free to introduce yourself here or show your PC desk setup or your creative workspace. Then the tour continues to the gallery. Just press on the blue arrow. So here you can see where you can post your creations. Let me explain how posting works. To add a new creation in the gallery, you press the big blue button with the new post. This one. Here fill in the title and your description. You see here the image icon with the plus sign. You can either press that and search for your image manually and add it that way, or you can drag and drop up to 10 images in one post. After that, select your appropriate tags. You can add multiple. If you like feedback on your work in progress, select the feedback welcome tag. And on top of that, you can also add a feedback sticker if you wish. You can do that here. Press on the little smiley below. In the sticker tab, select a feedback sticker. Before posting, check out the post guidelines. by pressing on this icon, expand it if needed, and you can read the text properly. And then you can press the blue button to post. So when you are ready, feel free to post, and there is no obligation to post straight away. Continuing with our tour, the next stop is the main chat area, the lounge. Here just say hi or pose an emoji, or else the tour guide will keep pestering you to send a message. Because the tour guide ticks off a checklist one by one. You can see here the green indicator, how many steps you already have completed. The next room is the office. It gives a bit of a vibe that you need to come to the principal's office in high school, because you have been up to no good. But let me assure you, there's nothing to worry about, because when you press the arrow, you are greeted with cookies. And if you have suggestions, please tell me here. And if I'm not here, tell Sylvester, my secretary. If you need to talk to me in private, go here at the top left and send me a private direct message. The next stop is the cafe. I must admit, after eating those stale cookies in my office, they have been lying there for some time. You can probably use a drink. This is the cafe. I show you the visuals. And here you can see all kinds of drinks and nibbles to copy and paste into the lounge. For example, if you like a kiwi milkshake and enjoy having all the seeds stuck between your teeth while in conversation, go ahead. But if you really are a rebel, you can opt in for a glass of plain water. Now I'm going to share some tips and tricks while I do a rundown of the channel list. At the top left, you see the server guide. When you click on the server guide, you see a couple of libraries and the cafe. These are read-only resources, which means you can take info or copy graphics and images to use on Dream Lounge. In the image library, you will find lots of images for you to copy and paste to use in chat. To copy an image, just right click. You either get the option copy image or copy media link. Both will work to paste. However, if you don't see one of those options in the drop-down, restart your Discord with Ctrl R. It's sometimes a bit glitchy, and on mobile just close and restart the Discord app. Do not use the copy message link option, that will not show the actual image. So either pick copy image or copy media link. Emojis you cannot copy and paste, just add them the normal way. I will get to that in a minute. Under the server guide, we have the channels and roles, where you get the same questions as in the onboarding process. So you can edit your initial choices. And take a look at the Browse Channels tab, where you can customize your channels even more. Keep in mind that you need to unfollow the category in order to uncheck and check boxes. Now back to the channel list on the left. If you go into a channel, you will see a description all the way at the top where the channel is for. For example, in the lounge or other channels. The Q&A channel is an exception on that. There you have a post guidelines option, just like in the gallery. In the test to use chat channel, I demonstrate the options you have for posting in general. So you can type a message in the message box. You can also add GIFs, stickers or emojis. For example, if you select a particular server like Dream Lounge, at the left of that pop-up, you can filter all the emoji that are unique to that server. But you can also pick other options to get the usual smileys or other themed icons. With the plus sign you can upload a file, and that can be an image. And here you can search for local images manually. What you can also do with the channel open is drag and drop images up to 10 at a time. And then press the blue arrow to send. Or just press enter. You can delete your own messages or edit them. And there's no time limit for that. Now, if you have more questions, use the Q&A channel or come to the office, or feel free to send me a direct message. After you join, take your time to explore the channels and discover all the exciting possibilities at your leisure. This concludes the walkthrough, and maybe I see you on Dream Lounge.